Hi everyone. This summer we went to Meena in Nakhon Nayuk and it took us about 1.5 hours to drive there from Future Park Rangsit. Meena has a fun water park for kids. There is a grass playground where water pours down and plays everywhere. It was so much fun to run and play under the big sweeping bucket. There is also a wave pool where I could jump and float on the wave right at the beach. We stayed there for 2 days. The water was very clean and clear. I I had a lot of fun swimming, sliding, and playing with my family. I can't wait to go back again. Bye bye.
Okay.